Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to use new Translate app in iOS 14. Apple has introduced a new Translate app that allows you to translate between any of the available languages. Currently there are 11 available languages, but the list is sure to grow. The app is also able to do offline translation for languages you decide to download. Let's start by opening the app and selecting two languages of our choice. You can download the languages by tapping on the download icon. This will let you use them while your device is not connected to the internet. Now, you can either type in the sentence you want to translate using the respective language keyboard, or tap the microphone icon and speak out what you want to translate. Your translated phrase or sentence will appear immediately. You can tap a specific word in the translated text to get its individual meaning. Further, if there are some particular phrases you want to keep handy, you can favorite them. To see favorite phrases, simply tap Favorites. To remove a favorite phrase, swipe left on it and tap on Favorite. You can do the same on recent translations. Translate app also has a conversation mode which will automatically detect which language is being spoken and show the translation automatically. This will yield even a smoother conversating experience. To access this, put your phone in a landscape mode and tap on the microphone. You can also play the translated phrase by pressing the play button.
But yes, I know that.
Translate will probably grow to support more languages fairly soon, but it's now a great native solution for translations. How many languages do you speak? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.